Kajing rakhi jong Digital India Week kabalane sitayo hapok kajela kalakut no hanin kasni ka nyau tarik unaitung bat yakni lapun kot ha kajing lang kabala pelong ha Shillong Public School Shillong ha kaba ka Menteri Katnat Urban Affairs ka kong amperin lingdo kalalong kum ka kongsan ha kani kasni kot jong Digital India Week kaladon kajing sa mingi sernat segi khna pule jong ka Shillong Public School Shillong kibalai shimenta ha kajing ko beper bala pelong kum shibenta kajing rakhi ka Digital India Week Batru layok ban pli ya ka digital classroom hakani ka school dakate ka menteri. Haba ajing keren hakate ka sngi kum ka kongsan ka kong amperin kala ong. Kamlong shu ka basngau pher bani keren ya ka technology hakani ka perthai jong ki kor ki bami na ka por sa ka por bat kala yathu ba sarkar jela kala ile kumno ban kintiw ka jela hakamap jong ka technology. Kakong amperin kala ong baka kerman scam baki nohikai kin shim kabu pura na ka jingyo igi digital classroom bat bani rap igi samla bakin kiew ha ka jingpuli bat ban pen kre igi bakin la bani rengkat kerdan bat ki weipat ha ka ni ka perthai jong ka jingile ha ka tai ka sngi la yo ru igi jingkran no commissioner bat secretary Katnat Information Technology ba DP walang ubla ong baya ka rukom a jingkai bat puli jong ka juk barim on sala ban pen kalano ling ba ka jingwan ra ya ki digital classroom
Holy Ralted Collector Certificates. Sinha of Class 8, Welbutson Rani of Class 9, Adriel Singh Class 8, and Vincent Lingdo of Class 8. Class 10, Kambol Patrick Harjuna of Class 10. We also have certificates for the speakers for the motion.
The sounds are all as different as the land from which they came. And though the words are all unique, our hearts are still the same. Love in any language, straight from the heart, pulls us all together.
Children are attracted to this new toy, which gives them the opportunity of learning a little more differently. Gone are the days where, when we were growing up, we didn't even dream of seeing a computer. Though that little preview of information that was presented by the computer teacher, Mr. Maltho, gave us the information that this was in the air since the early 60s. I'm very, very happy that today particularly we are closing the grand celebration of the Digital India Week, and the IT department has put in a tremendous effort to digitalize even some of the most remoteless villages in the state. From time to time, our government has put in a lot of effort and has been very proactive to ensure that the citizens of our state have access to this digital technology. I'm happy that we are now putting our fears behind us, and I'm happy particularly that the Shillong Public School has been one of the schools that has had digital classrooms way back in 2011. Today, it would be a great pleasure on my own self to be able to be a part of the fact that you are increasing the number of digital classrooms. I hope that the teachers of this premium institution take full advantage of this opportunity given to them by the NEC, and I hope that the kids will be able to gain access to better levels of information so that they may feel better about performing in their competitive world.